everyone, so I'm back to share just two little kits that I've put together, which will be listed in my shop when this video goes up. So one of them is a TN kit, but it's just the pages and a few of the freebies that actually go with it. Now you can get the freebies on their own on my website, but I have included them with the kit because this is where they came from. This is the inspiration that they came from. So this kit will also work well with another one of my kits, which is called Blue Florals. So let me just do a quick flip, and I've got another little kit to show you as well. So like I said, they're traveler's notebook size and they're in the theme of blue. Can't seem to get away from the blue. And they've got like white and blue backgrounds. So that's that one. And then we have that one. Oops. Then we have this one. It's got a little script and swirls and stuff on there. So I'm going to be playing with that soon. See what I can come up with, because you can use the pages as pages, but you can also use them to make pockets and things like that as well. And then there is this one. It's got a little bit of ledger going on in the background. And then we have a lined one with swirls. And then these are the two freebies, and like I said, you can get them on their own if you wanted to. So there's that. Again, you can, that's a collage tear page. You could rip that up and make pockets and collage work and things. And then you have the 3 jumbo tags there. Okay, so that's that kit. And then this one is 18, you get 18 tags. So that's 6 tags on each page, and they're called Vintage Rose. Okay, so a quick look there. So they've got that vintagey look with them. I think I'm gonna do little kits like this because my mind just doesn't go any further, you know, than making a few pages because I just want to create. Right, so there's that one. And then this one, it's got the florals, the roses are all in the background on this one. This would be a good one for layering, and you could actually maybe shrink some of these down a little bit and layer them on the top of them. I might actually come up with a freebie to go with this. Actually, there is a freebie which is called, it's called Vintage Rose Jumbo Tags, which I put out just the other day. But I might actually make some more, like 3 jumbo ones in with this design, so that you can layer them up onto. See what I can do, So that's the 2 little kits that I have. If you have any questions, just ask. And these, like I said, these will be listed in my shop, and they're very cheap. So yeah, they won't break the bank or anything like that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.